It's hard.
How slow I go over it.
Julsz, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry for the late introduction. So basically today we are going to be doing another seafood boil. Happy Tuesday. I kind of feel like every Tuesday I'm now drinking wine. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but we're working with it, right? I ain't alcoholic. I can promise you that, okay? But wine be tasting so good. So good. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that is continuing to support me, everyone that watches my video, everyone that comments. I really appreciate the comments. When you do leave a comment, that is telling me that you're engaged with my content. That is also telling me that you do love my content. So if you're a silent watcher, I appreciate you, but please do comment, because I do love reading them. I love talking to you guys. Like, I love you guys. Honestly, my subs, you mean the world to me, you know, like, honestly, I'm loving them, bad. So today's another day in the life of Julsz. Yeah. It's alive. Oh, I didn't think glass here. Oh,
that is a nasty bump.
That bump.
It doesn't matter how slow
It's hard.
It doesn't matter how slow I go over it. What are you doing, love? Are you going left or right? Or straight? No, you can't go straight. So where you going? Indicate.
Traffic blocking. Gotta come off.
That is funny. Yalla, habibi. Move.